Das ist ja richtig gross. Ja. Makrele. So is.
Go, mate. Take a quick dive.
It's
coming up on the surface. It's got to jump. What is it? Holy fuck!
Scheiße, Mama.
Fucking shark. Yeah, it's fucking pumped the marlin. Pumped the fucking mackerel or whatever it is.
Der ist riesig, der ist etwa so groß wie ich. Das ist wiederum...
What's this other? Try and get him up all up the top, mate, a couple hook away from his face, alright? Big shark though.
Echt was? Ich glaube, wir alle das nicht können, was zu tun. Nein, noch nicht.
Dus wat zeg je? Dan hij is in aan het.
One down.
Hold the rod out, hold the rod out. That's gone, it's gone. And popped it in. One down. Out there. Yeah, you're all right, man. All good. Keep on it. Stay tight on it. Hey, fucking belt, knacker pay. Go. Keep on it. Quick as you can. Lift up. One. Ah, fucking good mackerel. Cracker. Good, huh? Lift up and one down.
Wow!
Stop one and yep. Now one. That's it. That's how you want to do it. One. Just like that. Lovely. Yeah, right there. He's a good fish, eh? He's a real good fish, this one.
Wow!
No?
Okay, it's the cannon.
You're going to gap him, Kimmy. You get one. Yeah, you're up. Move around the side here. Side of the boat. Keep one. gap it and pull it in the side. Oh, that's a fucking Marlin!
A Marlin!
Fucking Marlin! Get it! Fucking get the fucking thing, Clevo! Fucking good! That was the second one on that one. Fuck yes!
Yeah!
We gassing? Yes, yes, fuck yeah, the big gas.
So geil!
Where's the big gas? Hang on, keep whining, I'm coming! Yeah!
Yoo-hoo! Yeah!
Keep going forward, Timmy, keep going forward. Watch out for a sec, mate, I'll give you just like that. Forward, Timmy, forward, Timmy.
Yoo-hoo!
Right, mate, if he wants to go, you let it go. Watch him on the prop. Yeah, you're right, he's just out the side here, keep going forward. Stay at that, Timmy. Watch him on that fucking prop. Yeah, go. Go forward. Keep moving that. Yeah, that's better, Timmy. You're right now, you're right. Got him out there? Yeah, keep circling at that. Keep circling out. Get out of there. You can come down for me. Dad, come down. Come up there. Okay, Timmy, get up there. Watch that, find the motor on the motor. You're right. Come on. Pay attention. Got it. Keep driving forward. Get it off this one. Nice and easy on him. We got him. He's not going to go anywhere. Where am I? Talk to me, buddy. Yeah, you're right. Keep punting that. Keep punting forward.
Ja, der Marsch!
Keep coming forward.
Yo!
Alright, he's coming up.
Is there some more?
Forward. Walk down the side, mate. Walk down the side. Hang on! Walk around that side, mate. Keep going. Get that right. Hold that right. Alright, don't yank on him that hard, mate. Just nice and nice and
When he comes up, be careful with him. Come here, mate. Hang on, mate. Don't fuck it up. Wait till we get close, mate.
Yes, we're in.
Oh, get in there, mate. Watch out. Get in.
Woo!
Phil.
Hang on, I'll try and get these rod holders out of the too much shadow on it. Hang on. You're right now. I need them rod holders again, Timmy.
Up first, Billy.
Hang on, I'll just send the bite stay there. Bite hard.
Of hem ook naar goed makrelen voor dit.
It's gotta be, man. It's gotta be.
Oh, een kleine toonvis, Shotter. Een kleine toonvis. Shit, er is jongens, vol. Ah,
Tuna.
cool.
Tuna.
Mega cool. Thunfisch.